In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Drive letter. This is helpful if your current Drive letter conflicts with another mapped drive or external device, or if you simply prefer to keep things organized in a specific way. We'll walk through the exact menu path inside Google Drive for desktop on Windows, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, head to the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. That's the area near the clock. Look for the Google Drive icon there. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you spot the Google Drive icon, click it to open the menu. Then click the gear icon and choose Preferences. This opens the main settings window for Google Drive. Inside the Preferences window, look toward the top right corner and click the gear icon again to access the Advanced Settings area. This is where Google Drive keeps options that affect how your files are streamed to your computer. Next, find the section labeled Drive Letter under Google Drive Streaming Location. This is the letter that Windows uses to show your Google Drive in File Explorer. Similar to how your local drives appear as C or D. If you've noticed other apps or network drives bumping into this letter, this is exactly where you can fix that. Click the drop-down menu next to the current drive letter, such as G, and select a new letter from the list. Choose a letter that isn't already in use. If you regularly plug in external drives or use corporate network shares, picking a letter further down the alphabet can help avoid conflicts. Keep in mind that any shortcuts or scripts that reference the old letter may need to be updated afterward. When you are satisfied with your choice, click Done or Save to confirm the change. At this point, Google Drive may ask you to restart the application so the new drive letter can take effect. Go ahead and allow it to restart. After it relaunches, your Google Drive will mount under the new letter, and you'll access it the same way you always do, just with the updated assignment in File Explorer. That's all there is to it. You opened Google Drive from the system tray, went into Preferences, used the Advanced Settings gear, located the drive letter under Streaming Location, picked a new one and saved your changes. Thanks for watching.